Interesting way for that dog to sit. Oh, my bike's dirty. This is like dust from where the fairings were up. Ow. I'm getting fairing dust and old blisters, not good. I'm not even a dog person, but that one was quite funny. Yay! Right, okay. I was gonna probably have that dog as just sort of a outtake thing. But I have a feeling this whole bloody ride's gonna be an outtake. It's amazing. Oh damn, what was it? Who was it who just almost reversed into me the other... Was that the other day or was it earlier? No, it was just... Right, I'm gonna put that in too. Right now. Yep, that was me coming out my house this morning, somebody deciding to suddenly reverse pretty fast into the end of my road. It wasn't anywhere near close, but again, just enough to wake me up in the morning. If anything, should probably be thinking. I don't like that smell. I smell diesel. I smell diesel. It's not good. Anyway, I've literally just seen Gogazor's video about wobbles. So, bear with me and I shall make a wobble. Might take a while though, because wobbling at traffic lights at a standstill, just going wobble, 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 ain't quite as fun as doing it at high speed. Well, not high speed either, because I'm in town, but you know what I mean. Before you ask why I said another attempt... Before you ask why I said... bloody lights. Why you said another attempt at getting to school, I'm actually an hour late. Because I started an hour later anyway. So technically I'm 2 hours late. But either way. Was late the first hour, got that stuff it. Because my school's weird, you actually get punished less for absences than you do for being late. So if you turn up 30 seconds after the bell, you get into proper trouble. And if you turn up an hour after the first bell, they say, oh well, hi, welcome to school, remember to bring back a little note saying why. So, a bit of a weird system. Anyway, I've actually got a couple of videos to upload. Yep. In fact, I've got more than a couple. I've got one music video that I'm going to do, but it's a surprise. Because yesterday was the first proper day of good weather I have seen in a while. We had 30 degrees Celsius. And I was mad and went running in it. But yeah, either way, it's been really warm. So actually this would be a wobble video for Gogazor and a videos to come. And then, if you know or not, I wasn't around for quite a while because I was on some sort of music course thing, don't know what you call it there. But pretty much for a week we all go and play music. And my dad was there with his camera and we did some nice music. So like there was a western one, there was something by Marcel Pagnol. Well, I think it was by him, but I think he's an author. But it's something about his mother's castle, the Château de ma Mère it's called. Which is quite nice. And then we played some cowboy thingy. A western style thing. And there were 2 other songs. Oh yeah, one was the marriage of Louis Alonso or something. Name of a song, but it was all in Spanish and I can't remember the Spanish words, just the translation. Hello dude, don't wave back, might kill you. And then I saved the best one for last. We played video games, but video game songs. One of which was Final Fantasy. Hello. See, that was leap filtering it. So yeah, anyway. So we played Final Fantasy, one from Exile. And yeah, the one from Final Fantasy is One Winged Angel. Exile I can't remember. And I can't remember the 3rd song either. But either way, I'm going to be uploading those soon. And I might get around to doing my once in the aquarium and the zoo. So anyway, Gogazor, this one goes out for you. Wobble, wobble, wobble. Although this is more of a zigzag. That's a wobble, 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 wobble. And you're right, it is good fun. And it's even practice for my bike thing, because I got a zigzag like this between cones. Wobble, 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 wobble. You're right, it is fun. Wobble, 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 wobble. Wobble, 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 wobble. Wobble, wobble, wobble. Guys in the other direction must be wondering what the hell's wrong with me. Wobble, 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 wobble. Wow. Brilliant idea, mate. This has set me up in a good mood to going to school. Wobble, 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 wobble. Behind a truck. Wobble, wobble, wobble. It'd be funny if the truck sort of started going dook, 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 try and mirror me. It'll actually be quite scary because this is a diesel carrying thing. It's either a diesel thing or a septic tank pumper. Either way, the road would either be covered in diesel or other people's shit. So either way, I'd say it'd be pretty uncomfortable for me riding here. Fuck, what's that coming out the back of it? I'm going to ride on this side where nothing's falling out. Because that doesn't smell like diesel, if you know what I mean. So I'll give you one other guess, given what I just said, is what that might be. It's like a dog hiding from a Hoover. I think it is a septic tank bumper. I'm glad I noticed that before it hit me in the face. Because that would be two kinds of waste I would have been hit by. I don't even remember that video a while back of that story about when I encountered an animal carrying truck, and well, that one encountering my, well, not my, you know what I mean, septic tank stuff. Ah, get in gear. How could I miss that gear? That's normally an easy gear. So anyway, yeah, that's the wobble challenge for Gogazor done. Wobble, 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 wobble. Ah, let's get behind me. Wobble, 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 wobble. Now let's wobble into a corner. Yeah, I am a bit mad, guys. Ooh, and I've got another video coming up, which is a bit of a controversial subject. Nothing too bad, it's just a discussion about bikes. So stay tuned, guys, and watch this space. Not necessarily just that space, I mean the whole picture thingy. And nope, this time it's gone red. Anyway guys, it's about to go green for me. I really gotta... All this riding big bikes has put me off the biting points on little two-strokes. So yes, anyway, hope that gave Gogazor a chuckle. This is actually much longer than I intended it to be. But hey. Doesn't matter. I'm sure you guys don't mind listening to me natter on and on. Oh, and I'm close to 200 subs as well, guys. I think I'm about 4 away when I left this morning. So yeah, I can't wait to be up at 200. It'll be quite fun. I'll make a video for that as well. Yeah, so all the way from 200. All good stuff. And it is a lovely day, and I'm going to go and be stuck inside a schoolroom for 6 hours. Anyway guys, take care, see you later.